Welcome to Grade 6 Social Science Chapter 2 Session 4 The Mesolithic and Neolithic Ages. Let's start. Tell the difference between the two scenes shown in the picture in terms of climate and vegetation. Scene 1. Cold, ice, dry and almost no vegetation. Scene 2. Sunny, grass, warm and good vegetation. Something similar happened in the life of early humans of the Paleolithic Age, which changed their lives forever, and they entered a very new phase. Today, we will learn about those phases which came after the Paleolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age. What happened to these Paleolithic men as they progressed further? Well, around 12,000 years ago, there came a major change in the climate of the world. This was the end of the last glacial age or the ice age. The climate became warmer, and so there came a major change in the life of the people all around the world. This age, which began about 12,000 years ago and ended around 10,000 years ago, is called the Mesolithic Age or the Middle Stone Age. What changes happened during the Middle Stone Age? To begin with, as the climate became warmer, the natural surroundings changed. The Mesolithic and Neolithic Ages. Many new planet species grew in the warmer climate. Huge tracts of land which were earlier covered with ice sheets now turned into grasslands. This increased the number of herbivorous animals, which in turn increased the number of carnivorous animals. These changes in the climatic conditions changed the lifestyle of these Mesolithic humans. Now they could easily get animals to hunt. Trees were laden with fruits and many wild grasses grew abundantly. The seeds of these grasses provided them with alternate sources of food other than animals and fruits. So, procuring food became easy. Now they could use their spare time to invent and discover new things, which changed their lifestyle. Changes happened in tools, food habit, shelters, and living conditions. Slowly, they abandoned their nomadic lifestyle and started settling down at a place. This phase of human civilization is known as the Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Name the age which came after the Paleolithic Age. Question 2. Name the age which came after the Mesolithic Age. Question 3. What changes happened in the Mesolithic Age? Check your responses. Answer number 1, Mesolithic Age. Answer number 2, Neolithic Age. Answer number 3, the climate became warmer, many new plant species grew, lands covered with ice sheets changed into grasslands, and increase in the number of herbivorous and carnivorous animals. Let's quickly see some examples. Read the keywords and write P for the Paleolithic Age and M for the Mesolithic Age and N for the Neolithic Age on their placards. First, grassland. Second, settled life. Third, warmer climate. Fourth, ice age. And fifth, hunter-gatherers. Check your responses. First, M. Second, N. Third, M. fourth P, fifth P. Let's quickly check our understanding. Fill in the blanks and write the responses on the placards. First, around 12,000 years ago, there came a major change in the climate of the world. This was the end of the last dash age or the ice age. Second, the Mesolithic age is also known as the dash age. Third, the climate became dash in the Mesolithic age. Fourth, in the Mesolithic age, huge tracts of land which were earlier covered with ice sheets now turned into dash. Fifth, when the early humans abandoned their nomadic lifestyle and started settling down at a place, that phase of human civilization is known as the dash age. Let's check our responses. First, glacier. Second, middle stone. Third, warmer. Fourth, grasslands. And fifth, Neolithic or new stone. Let's quickly do an assessment. Briefly explain any four characteristics of Mesolithic age. Check your responses. Main characteristics of Mesolithic age are: the climate became warmer, the natural surroundings changed, food procurement became easy, lifestyle, food habits, tools, and living conditions of the people changed. Let's practice. I teach. Teach your parents about characteristics of the Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Read some keywords related to the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. Ask your parents to guess the age with the help of the clue. Check their responses. I do. The evolution of human beings that began from bipedal apes to modern human species is an interesting story, which we came to know through this chapter. Today, as the inhabitants of this advanced world, we find it difficult to imagine the types of difficulties our ancestors must have faced during the process of evolution. Imagine that you have been stranded on an island with not a single human being in sight. You have to survive here for a month on the natural resources found in the island and its surroundings. Question first: what type of food will you eat if you had to collect it from the surrounding environment? Question second: mention the kind of tools you will use to get your food, the types of material you will use to make those tools, and the methods by which you will make those tools. Third, how will you make your shelter? What material will you use? Fourth, what kind of clothes will you wear? Fifth, draw a sketch of the following in the space provided below. Question first. Name a few Paleolithic sites in India where tools have been found. Question 2. What were habitation cum factory sites? Question 3. What was the impact of climate change on the natural surroundings during the Mesolithic age? Question 4. How did the climatic changes affect the life of the Mesolithic people? The skills developed through this session are assimilation and correlation. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.